This is Pal Walker, Mission Winners, doing a training coaching video for everybody. And what is it? Hey, what are we looking at? No, we're not looking at cartoons and stuff. We're sitting here looking at charts. One of the biggest foundations is this. Focus, and this is for everybody. Do you want to dramatically improve your investing results? Focus on leading stocks and leading groups that have great earnings and are great sales and a niche that others may not have. If you do that, you will dramatically improve your investing results. I was an IBD Meetup co-leader for 12 years and really hashed through all this stuff. And yes, I've been to CanSim Level 3 a couple of times and have had lunch with Bill O'Neill that I had to sat down with him. So yes, we're locked on these things, all right? And it's very important. We're talking about your money, right? So why not have some specific rules and tactics and methods to help you find super stocks? Well, we do. You want companies in leading groups with great earnings and are great sales and a clean and simple chart pattern. So we're looking at CPE right here, and I want to do this for you. You see that right there? Got a little high handle formation right here. See the volume coming into that? That's very nice. This stock, last quarter's earnings were up 358%. Last quarter sales were up 91%. The stock has, in an A-plus rated group, it has an earnings per share rank of 89. It's a B-plus accumulation distribution. It has a composite rating of 99. You can't get better than that, okay? It has a relative strength line of 99 near new highs. So, can it push through this little pennant formation and start to lift off? Yes, I think it could, which is something we're looking at. Yes, we're looking at it. We've got it. By the way, you see that right there? That little green line? That's not something I do just to do something. That's a price alert. And I'm going to make it a little bit lower. If this starts to lift off the ADMA, we'll watch it and see what happens. There's number one for you, something that we're looking at. Let's look at another one, shall we? And you can say, Pat, what is it? Well, let's look. It's XPEV. Got to get rid of that. That's a bad data bar here. There it is. XPEV, lifting off. You can say, what's so special about this? Well, here's a great lesson for you. It only has an earnings per share rank of 7. You go, oh, I can't do that then. I can't do that. I will tell you something, and this is important. And again, we're firmly ingrained in this. This isn't just off the top of our head type of stuff, all right? You can focus on stocks with a high EPS rating, or you can also focus on stocks that have either great earnings and or great sales, all right? I'll give you an example. This stock doesn't have earnings, but last quarter's revenues were up 597%. The quarter before that, its revenues were up 674%. That's power. Oh, and what group is it? Oh gosh, it's in the same group as a company called Tesla, NIO. You know the names. You know the names. Lee Automotive. There they are. Could this take out these tops right here? Yes. But what does it need to do? It needs to take out the top of this bar. Now here's a great lesson for all of you. Do you see where it opened? I'm going to do this for you. This is what we do in Mission Winners. We point this out. You can't just look at the chart. It's a green chart. I guess it's good. It gapped up. See the open right there? It gapped up. It ran up. And it closed below where it opened. Note this bar. It gapped up. It ran up and closed below where it opened. As this one gapped down, ran up and closed down. So there's some selling in there. What does it need to do? And again, this is what we talk about in Mission Winners. Needs to take out the top of that bar on really heavy volume. But again, last quarter's revenues were up 597%. Group rank A+. Something to look at. There we go. Let's do another one. Right here. Tech. You can say, well, what's the scoop with TECK? You can say, well, it's got a pretty good volume bar there. Look at that. That's serious volume. What are the numbers, though? We always have foundations with numbers. We're very stringent with this. What are we looking at here? This is an A-rated group. It's got a composite rating of 99. Timeliness is A. Accumulation distribution is B. Relative strength 91. And it had powerful volume right there. Look at that. Look at that spike. Up on heavy volume, down on less volume. What are the numbers? First off, group rank A, accumulation distribution B, composite rating 99, timeliness A. Last quarter's earnings up 683%. Last quarter sales up 73%. It makes the cut. And what's it need to do? I'll share it with you. It needs to take out the tops of that bar on really heavy volume. Anyway, there's a lesson for you. Just explaining things in a way that conceptually make sense. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. Focus. This is for everybody. Please focus on stocks that have either great earnings and or great sales that are in a leading group with a clean and simple chart pattern. And you will dramatically improve your investing results. And there's a few of them and there's more. This stuff we're looking at. And guess what? You see that right there? See that little green line? What does that mean? You got it. That's a price alert. Yep, we'll be ready. You see the volume on that bar? That's serious buying pressure. So, we'll be ready. Yep, that's what we're looking at. Anyway, that's a few of them. We've got more. I just wanted to share this with you, and I hope it helps you.